Do you want to get immediate treatment from the comfort of your home or office? Then Mediflame is the perfect solution for you. Mediflame website connects you direct to specialist doctor for your disease, diagnostics and treatments on your phone or computer. Simply log on to www.mediflame.com. Click on the Specialties tab and choose from the 24 specialties, or simply type the doctor or specialty name in the search bar, which will take you to the desired specialty page. Look for the appropriate doctor. If you want to view the doctor profile, click on the name of the doctor, which will take you to the doctor's profile. Once you have chosen the doctor, click on the video or audio call for your appointment. Choose the required time from the available time slots. Upload your medical records for the doctor's reference and fill the details required. Once the payment is done and confirmed, you will get a text message as well as an email from Mediflame confirming your appointment. Once appointment is created, you can now log in using the registered mobile number. After you have logged in, our website allows you to store your medical records at one place. It is safe, secure, and easy to access your medical records on a click. On the day of your appointment, you will have to fill a pre-consultation form, which will help the doctor to understand your problems beforehand and save time on your appointment. You will receive an appointment link on your phone and email to join the meeting, and just by clicking on the link, you will be able to consult live with the doctor. You can also go on My Appointments and cancel or reschedule the appointments. Once your appointment is completed, the doctor will upload the prescription on your profile, and you will be easily able to download it from My Prescriptions tab. Do you have any questions about the online consultation? Your questions can be now answered on your FAQ section on the home page. Here there are various questions already answered for a first-time online consultation user. So confused about the specialty to choose for your problems? You can look at the header in the various specialties explaining the specialty in detail. Click on the Mediport on the bottom right corner of the page and click on the Symptom Checker button. Explain your symptoms and pain points by just answering the questions, and Mediport will suggest you the specialty to choose for your problems. For any further questions, you can always chat with our Help Center in the Mediport section by clicking on Help Center button. Are you looking for an affordable medical treatments outside your country? Then India is the destination one should choose. Log on to www.mediflame.com. Go to the medical tourism page and choose from the various treatments, hospitals, or wellness retreats as per your requirements. At Mediflame, we take care of your travel for medical treatments, accommodations, flight tickets, and post-treatment tourism part. You can send your detailed medical condition and we will contact you for the doctor opinion and quotation. If you want to look at treatment options, click on the Treatments tab, where we have 15 types of specialties and more than 300 treatment options with our specially quoted list of hospitals. Let's go through one of the treatments. See the detailed description of the treatment with the FAQs mentioned. View the treatment or surgery options from the list. Choose a surgery and check out the overview giving details of the surgery or treatment. Click on Science to see the causes of the treatment, risk factors, treatment methods, diagnosis, etc. You can check selected hospitals, FAQ travel, and visa support details. There is a hospital tab on homepage where one can find the hospitals segregated as per the medical specialties. Go through the hospital highlights, accreditation, overview. You can also find the milestone of that hospital and achievements too, their specialties and facilities as well. You can know further about the hospital from above these details. Apart from allopathy, we do cater wellness tourism. Let's have a glimpse. Click the Wellness Tourism tab on Mediflame homepage. You can find here 14 themes available under Wellness, where one can select want to go with Ayurvedic treatments or naturopathy treatments. One can check the treatment images, the highlights, overview of that particular treatment, science, and the FAQs. There is a Treatment Center tab where you can click and check the details of the treatment center where you want to stay in. Right side, one can see the calculator where one can filter the room categories and accordingly can check the pricing. You can send an inquiry and can get a quote quickly. You can also find the social media platforms on Mediflame like our blogs, the MediProduct, and YouTube. If we talk about the blogs, you can see more than 7+ theme categories under the blog section. Select any one and go through the details. Now let's go to the MediProduct, which is linked to our PPE India website, a one-stop marketplace for personal protection and facility sanitization products. Also, we will be coming up with Ayurveda and other medical products. There is also a YouTube channel linked on our Mediflame website. Click on the YouTube channel. You can go through the informative videos which are particularly explaining you about the treatments or the medical conditions.